Are you good girl?
What's up guys, my name is Libby. I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a sunset inspired eye look and kind of a nude lip. So if you would like to watch how to go from this to this, then keep on watching. Before we get into the video, make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. I do put out new videos every Thursday and a bonus video throughout the week. So be sure you're looking for that. And you get to see Elsie. So should I start putting Elsie in my intro? Give a thumbs up if you want to see more of Elsie because she's the cutest little dog in the entire world and I love her. So yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Alright, I'm going to start with eyebrows. I'm using this Maybelline Brow Precise Micro Crayon. This is in the shade... Well, it doesn't actually say on here, I don't think. I think this is in the shade Dark Brown. Wow. I think it said on the packaging. I did a little haul that of all the products that I got from Target, and I do know I for sure put it in that haul. I guess you'll have to click there to see the shade, but it's a pretty good dark brown. What are you doing, Elsie? Don't be causing trouble. Next, I'm going to go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Powder Duo. This is in the shade Medium Brown. Medium Brown. And I'm just going to fill in the edges. The tails. What is this called? The outside of my brow. And then I'm going to use the lighter shade to imitate some fake hairs here in the front. And last for brows, I'm going to use the Tarte Busy Gal Brows. This is in the shade Medium Brown, and I'm just going to use this to set my brows. Next, to set the lid, I'm going to go in, to prime the lid, I'm going to go in with ColourPop No Filter Concealer. This is in the shade Fair 08. And just going to carve out the brows a little bit here. Alright, and to set the brows, why do I keep saying everything wrong today? I don't know what is up with me. To set the lid, I'm going to be using the Rimmel London Stay Matte Translucent Powder, and this is in the shade Translucent, right? Yeah, it is. 001. Oh, transparent, not translucent. Okay. There's a big difference. Alright, next I'm going to go into my Naked 3 Urban Decay palette, and I'm going to use the shade Limit. I feel like on my Urban Decay palette, I literally cannot see any of the names of the shadows because this is pretty old. I think this is like 2 years old. Do eyeshadows expire? I'm not really sure. I don't think so. I've never used an entire eyeshadow palette. I feel like that's almost unheard of. Is that even possible? Next, I'm gonna go in with my ColourPop Double Entendre palette that's used every single day, and I'm going to use the same brush, and I'm going to use this orange shade right here. The ColourPop names of the shadows confuse me so much because I'm not really sure like what the names are, because I heard someone said that like the back, like because the names are on the back, and I heard someone say one time that the back names like don't actually match exactly what's on the front. They're flipped or something. I'm not really sure how that works. So like to me it looks like I'm using the shade Hard, but I don't actually know if that's the shade name. Okay, and I'm gonna go in with this orange shade right here. I love this color. I feel like this is blending out so nicely. That is what I want. I want you to blend nicely. That is why I spent... Oh, fuck. I messed up. People on YouTube are not supposed to mess up. Who even am I? Do I even know how to do makeup? Okay, that looks pretty good. I'm just gonna use the same brush. I like this brush. I keep getting myself all dirty. I'm gonna use this really pink color. I dropped it on the ground. Enough fooling around. It is time to get down to business. I feel like these colors are like neon. They look really pretty. Look at that. Look at those colors. Well, I want it to be like a little bit darker than that. So I'm gonna actually take this like magenta up here and I'm gonna really pack that on. Keep it tight to the lid and just like gently blend it into the crease. And then I'm gonna take the orange like above the neon shade that I originally took, and I'm just going to put this baby all the way up here. Oh, this is just seamless. Okay, now I'm going back in with that ColourPop concealer. I'm gonna do a little bit of this halo eye. You know what? It's really okay that I messed it up though. I can fix it. I know makeup. I am good at it. I say that as I'm trying to struggle to do this. Ew, look at my brush. It matches the other eye. Not really. It doesn't really match the other eye. But that's okay. Now I'm gonna take this really little guy. I'm just gonna wet it because I want this middle to be like, whoa, like where did she come from? She came out of nowhere. She came around the corner and surprised us all. First I'm gonna use the lightest yellow. Oh yeah. Get it. That is looking like a sunset in Hawaii, yo. Now I'm going to take this yellow on the same brush and I'm gonna go kind of on the edges here. Dogs are fighting and I just don't know why they have to fight. Why do you have to fight? I know you're playing. I know you're only one, but why do you have to fight? Now I'm gonna go in with orange on the edges. Blend those edges. Make it seamless. We don't want no one to know that we were trying to do a little halo eye here. We just want people to think we look beautiful. It looks like glow sticks exploded on my eyes. Maybe instead of sunset tutorial, this should be called glow stick exploded on my eye tutorial. Or like a tie-dye. Like a yellow and orange and pink tie-dye maybe. That's probably what it looks like too. I don't care what the haters say. Eyes are tie-dye and I love it. Now I'm gonna take some of the darker purple shade. Come on, darker purple shade, show me what you got. It's just gonna add the extra oomph that we're looking for in this eye look. Should I add some glitter? I think I should. I'm just gonna do it. I'm gonna wet this little brush here. I'm gonna take this really pretty color that I've never used before. I'm gonna put it right in the center. I don't know why I'm talking so weird in this video. It's fun though. If you're not having fun, then leave. Why am I doing this? Because I'm about to put foundation on and I don't want to get my foundation all pink and purpley. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer that I just got from Target. From Target. Because my skin is as dry as a butthole. Now, you might be thinking, Libby, you did not ruin your makeup look with a winged liner like you usually do. And I'm like, yes, random subscriber or person who somehow found my video, you're right, I didn't. And that's just because I was too scared to ruin it. And I know I was like, you guys, I am going to do this like every video because I'm trying to practice. And I know I said that. But now I'm like, this just like looks so good. Even though I am getting foundation in my eyebrows, I can easily fix that. Can't always easily fix what happens when you mess up your whole face by doing, you know, that winged liner. I am in such a weird mood today. I don't know why. I think it's because I took Elsie to the park. No, I mean, I didn't take her to the park. My bee. I took her to the lake and I had a frisbee and I would throw it into the water and then she would jump in the water and she would get it and it was so fun. And me and her just rolled around in the mud and we got so dirty and I think that's why I'm in a weird mood. But if you guys were wondering, I am using the CoverGirl Vitalist Healthy Elixir foundation. I'm not putting that much on my face, so it's pretty light coverage because I don't really want like crazy coverage. But it still has good coverage, but you know, like I don't want, like I want to still see my freckles because my freckles are cute. That is why I don't put that much on. This is in the shade Classic Ivory. And I also got Buff Beige, but that one's kind of dark. So I got this one. I think this one is 2 shades lighter. But it smells so good. I have never tried out a foundation that smells so good. Okay, I'm gonna try this out, guys. This is the Lasting Finish 25-hour breathable Rimmel London under eye concealer. Oh, I think I put too much on there. Oh well. Here, I'll put some on my face. All over. I like that. It's got a weird little sponge guy. I'm not going to use the weird little sponge guy, but came out really easily. This is in the shade 001 Light Ivory. Oh, I think I put way too much on. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Oi, 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 oi. Little goes a long way with this concealer guy. I'm gonna use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. Got it in the shade 20 Light Medium, and I didn't realize that it's just like, it's literally, oh my god, why do they put these stickers on here so well? 20 is like kind of like a bronzer. I mean, I don't mind that. I don't mind being bronzed, but I was like, I probably should also get like a lighter one, you know? So now I'm using the shade, well, I can't tell you because what is this? This is in the shade 10. So hopefully 10 is not a bronzer. I have been using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Setting Powder along with the CoverGirl Vitalist Elixir Foundation for the past couple days. And let me just tell ya, it is my new favorite face makeup combo. Now I'm going to use some bronzer, and I'm going to use the Butter Bronzer. And if you watched my Target haul, I just got this from Target, and it smells like a dream. And the first time I used it, I was like, why doesn't this work? But then I like got the hang of it kind of, and I was like, okay, I really like it. It's nice because it's really affordable. Now I'm going to use another new product. It's going to go perfect with the eye look. It's like this coral blush with gold sparkles in it, and this is from Wet n Wild, and I'm so impressed at how pigmented and beautiful this blush is. I have barely any on my brush, and that is so pretty. That looks really good. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild highlighting powder. This is in the shade Blossom Glow. Now I'm going to use the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Virgin. Surprise! I put lashes on. Sorry. Now I'm going to do the lower lash line real quick. I'm going to do kind of the same thing. I'm going to do orange on the inside here. Oh, and orange on the outside. Oh, and I finished my lip. I think it looks really good with this eyeshadow. I'm gonna use yellow. Yellow, come here. Right in the center. Eyes are done. I'm gonna use my Maybelline Total Temptation. What is this called? Mascara? Oh, and if you guys are wondering, I'm sure you all are. I didn't put any eyeliner on, but I think that this look is so fire that it doesn't even need eyeliner. Smashbox Photo Finish Setting Spray. Alright guys, this is the finished look. This is my take on sunset makeup with your classic nude lip. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you liked my weird mood today. Make sure you stay tuned for the next video. Alright guys, see you next time.